Hi, welcome to Science Lord Online class. All right, today these are the questions we have on the board. Okay, today we are dealing with initial equations, or you can call it initial exponential equations. This is the first one, and the second one here. It's from the second to the 10th one. Okay, now just follow me and see how all these questions can be what solved step by step, and also the easiest format in each one. Okay.
Welcome to Science Blood Online class. Before we start, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow this channel. Your support helps me reach more students and keeps these tutorials alive. Drop a comment to show you're here. I reply to everyone. Don't scroll, hit that like and follow now, so we can all pass together. Interested in online private classes for SSS 123, JAMB, or WAEC? Chat me on WhatsApp 0706 166 7553.
Now, for the first question says, we should solve for x. We are having, let me bring down the question, which is we are having a 10 to the power of x plus 3 plus 10 to the power of x is equals to, we are having the 100, this is 100,000. Okay, now for a question like this, you don't need to waste time at all. I want to recall your mind on the what laws of indices. Now, the laws of indices says that, let me use this as an example, that a is, let me just say a to the power of 2 multiplied to the a to the power of 2 or 1. When you have an equal base, the law says, multiplication law says that you have pick one of the base. When you have an equal base and multiplying each other, pick one of the base and add their indices. Indices that this will give us what? A to the power of 3. Take note. Now that is what happened here, and you are going to split this to make it more suitable to suit what we just did here. So now, to solve further, we can say that 10 to the power of x multiply by 10 to the power of 3. This and this are the same thing. Take note. What we have here, this is a plus sign, and here this is 10 to the power of x is equals 100,000. All right. Now, what are you going to do next? You collect like 10 by bringing out the common factor here, and the common factor on this left hand side here is 10 to the power of x, which you now have that 10 power x. You open a bracket. What do you have here? This is 10 power of 3. This one, this can easily cancel this. So when this cancel this, what is remaining is what? This will give you what? 1. Close bracket is equals 10 ratio equals what? 100,000. Now, let me make it more understandable to you. Look at this. The common factor is 10 to the power of x. When this multiplied by this, you get this. And when 10 to the power of x times 1, you get this. So the thing is what? Balance. Take note. Okay? If there's any place you don't understand, please just notify me on the comment section. Okay? I will explain more better. Or chat me up on WhatsApp through the number showing on your screen for more expression, and also for pay attention, you understand it directly as I'm doing it here. Okay, now what next? Can I say that 10 to the power of x here? This is 10 to the power of 3 is you give us 1,000 plus 1, that should give us equals 100,000. Okay, now to simplify further, you can now say that this is 10 to the power of x in a bracket 100 plus this. Sorry, we omitted something here. It's supposed to be 1,000. The 1,000 plus 1 will give us what? 1,001 close bracket equals 100,000. So now what next? We are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of what? 10 to the power of x, which is 1001. Here will be 1001. So on the left hand side, this can cancel this. Yes, this can cancel this. So what is left is what? 10 to the power of x is equals. Here, this can divide itself to give you 1. Divide the upper one, which is 100,000, to give you 100. Okay, please do it very well. Let's clean up some space upward so that we can continue our solution. Okay, let's continue. I think we can just put it somewhere here, please. So we are left with, let me just complete it here. We are left with 10 to the power of x is equals, what's remaining here? This is 100. Therefore, remember, this is 100. Try to get an equal base by what? Changing this 100 to its initial form, which will give us 10 to the power of x is equals to 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2, let me write it well. 10 to the power of 2 is something as 100. So since I have an equal base, what are you going to do? You cancel out. Yes. Since you have an equal base with equal sign, just cancel the bases and equate their powers. Therefore, x is equals to 2. So for this question here, the final answer for this question is x is equals to 2. So if you don't see it there, let me write it somewhere here that x is equals to what? 2. So this is the final answer for this question number 1. Alright, you did very well. For me to continue, because I'm about to move over to question number 3. Okay, so see how simple it is. Just follow it step by step. You get your answer. Let's continue, my dear.
Thank you for watching Science Blood Online class. If this video helped you, like, comment, share, subscribe and follow so you never miss a tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. I reply to everyone. Remember, success comes to action takers. Don't wait. Engage now. For online private classes SSS 1 to 3, JAMB and WAEC, contact me on WhatsApp 0706166